Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make this wave design on Canva application. So let's go to the tutorial. First, open your Canva application and then make a new project. Here on the new project you need to swipe the toolbar left until you found the apps button and then click it. And on the apps button you can type Canwave. This is the application that we want to use to make that design. And then open the apps. And here on the apps there's a plenty of choice. There's only 3 of choice of the wave. First is the solid wave and the gradient wave, and the third one is the line wave. And in this tutorial we will use the gradient wave. And for the shape there's a 2 choice of shape, curve and pointy. And for the layers of the wave you can adjust the number of layers, but the maximum here is only 5 layers. And for the gradient, it's the angle of the gradient color. And the complexity, it's the complexity of the wave. You want to make it much more complex by swiping right, or less complex by swiping left. And the variation is the height of the wave. But I will try to make it not much height. So I will make it much more shorter, this one. And after that click add to design, and after you add it to the design you need to download this design by clicking this button up here. Click it and then click download, and then click done and download it. Wait for a moment. After you download it you can delete the design that we already make. Click delete and then back to the toolbars again. Here you can click the elements button and then try to find frames, and then click the circle one and try to make it a little bit bigger, and back to your toolbars again. Click the gallery and add the design that you already saved before. Here, add to the page and then add it to the frame. And after that, double tap to adjust the wave. And after you finish, click done, and now it's already done. That's the way how you to make a wave design by using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.